Hello everyone. Just thought I'd let you know I've bought a new Honda SH300, and I've decided to change the original exhaust as usual, and this time I went for the Arrow. I've done a lot of reviews on that. Well, I heard a lot of reviews, and they were saying it's real good, and it really is a nice little sound on this. It's easy to put on, slip on and slip off, so it's great, and a lot lighter than the original exhaust. The original exhaust is really heavy compared to this. Okay, let's give you a little sound on it. So as you can see, it sounds quite throaty. It's pretty loud. Okay. Now, I was in two minds to buy this Honda SH100 and the GTS 300. Now, I've had the GTS 300 before, and I absolutely loved it. The pros and cons on this, I'm not really too happy with this. First of all, I've got an ongoing issue with Honda dealers themselves. The speedo on here is faulty, in my opinion. It's 6 or 7 miles out. So when I was just going up the M1 every day at 60, all the Arctics were overtaking me, and I was thinking, what's going on here? Because the Arctics are limited to 56, but they were just bombing past me. So eventually I complained to Honda, and they said I've got to put a GPS on and test it out myself, which I didn't agree with. I think they should have done it, but however, I did it, and I told them, look, it's when I'm doing 60, it's showing 54, 55 miles an hour if I'm lucky. And so they said okay, but they were just fobbing me off, saying no, there's a 10% allowance on it. But then my argument is, why should I have to calculate when I'm doing 70? If I want to do 70, that means I've got to go over 74, 75, 76 miles an hour to know I'm doing 70. So I'm in dispute with them at the moment. I'd be interested to know if anyone else is experiencing this issue with the speedometer, or do you agree that it's 10% is fair play for allowance? So regarding the GTS and this, I think the GTS is a lot nippier than this. This is not, in my opinion, as fast. The Vespa is way really sharp off the ground compared to this. So, but the only reason I didn't buy a Vespa is there's no dealers around my way, and if they are really far, so I didn't want to chance it of doing services by them, and it's just inconvenience. But next one I'm gonna have to get another one, and next time it will be a Vespa. I just like it, and plus the footwell is much better on the Vespa, bigger, and this front part is nice and wide, which you don't get the wind. On this one, the wind just hits you straight on the legs, whereas on the Vespa, if I remember correctly, it was really nice and covered like. But let's see how it goes anyway. But I'd be interested to know about the speedo, if anyone has the same issues or how I can resolve it. I am going to complain to Honda and see what they can do about it, if they can change the speedo. But yeah, please, if anyone knows anything I can do about it, or is that it? Okay, thanks for watching.